Alright, welcome back to MBMRC. This is Brian. Before we get too far into today's video, you guys are doing a great job with the contest, but I do want to point out here, about 83% of you still are not subscribed. We are running a contest. The way that works is, if we hit 1,000 subscribers by the 1st of September, the lucky winner gets to pick the Old School Model Works kit of his or her choosing. We buy it, we send it to you. Doesn't cost you a dime, doesn't cost you a dime to subscribe. So please like our videos and subscribe to the channel. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks. Alright, welcome back to another video from MBMRC. Today we're going to go over a little gem that I found through Facebook on a page. As you can see, the Tower Hobbies 46 RC engine. We have quite a few engines here. Some of them are in plane, some of them aren't. We did not have a Tower Hobbies anyplace. So the guy was selling this actually coupled with a trainer on, I believe it's Glow Nation. I'll have a link to it down below because it's a very helpful group to be in on Facebook. But I saw that this motor came with it, and I was actually pretty surprised because it looked to me like it was brand new. And as you can see, looking at that exhaust port there, you can see it's definitely never been ran. So it's rare to find an engine that we don't have or haven't had. And if we can find one that we don't have or haven't had that's new, we like to snag it up. And we're all the time talking about, buying these engines on, eBay or something like that. You can always get them relatively cheap. I think I spent $90 on this. And I'm actually looking forward to maybe throwing a prop on it and running it on the test stand. So yeah, this is a Tower Hobbies Pro 46, and personally I think it's probably going to scream, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, Glow Nation on Facebook, definitely check that group out because it is a very helpful group for guys that are, whether they've been flying Glow for a long time or just looking to get into it. It is a great group. Check them out. I think we're going to put this thing on the test stand and see what it runs like.
Can you bring a little bit of oil out?
So what do you know about the Tower Hobbies Pro 46?
I haven't really looked at the specs of it, but it looks like a GMS 47 too. And I think that's exactly what it is. I think it's definitely a GMS. I don't know what the bore and stroke is. Take it apart to measure it, and the specs don't give it. We're going to put a little oil in it. It hasn't been ran a while. Brian bought this engine. Where'd you get it?
I got it off of Glow Nation on Facebook.
Put a little oil on the top of there. No, right on the barrel. Very, very tight in the top end of the cylinder, which is good. All right, Matthew, I'm going to have you hit it with the electric starter. I'm going to put a little pressure on it. Very tight. Which means it's a good ABC, it's a good fit.
Now, can you damage it if it's too tight?
No, shouldn't. Okay, go ahead, spin it over. I want to just run some fuel up in it. Okay, we got a leak here in this hose. We're spraying out. That's why it wasn't pulling up.
Now, why is the needle on the back side of the engine?
Yeah, that is to protect your fingers.
Wow.
She's tight. about to fall out.
I'm going to turn it this way a little bit, going over my truck.
There. That would have caused her to run a little lean. All right.
Well, there is a baffle in there you can take out. A little bit more hard. Sounds good. Yeah, sounds like it's
Definitely a performance engine. Screamer. What'd you pay for this?
$90.
Can't beat that.
Nope. Look for a little bit of metal flake that might be wearing off inside the engine before the wear of the piston going up and down. But that gray color right there is just, it is the metal fragment of the piston kind of lapping in the liner a little bit. But after time, that'll be nice, pink, clear slime.
Very nice on an engine, particularly if it gets out of the box. Make a good 3D engine or a good like pylon for any performance. That's a performance engine.
Can't beat it for $90.
No. Good tracer engine.
Yeah. like you always say, getting a cheap engine, 90 bucks.
Yep.
Can't beat that.
Okay, now we're gonna run her out. Take that off.
Now, just so everybody's aware, Tower Hobbies no longer makes those engines.
No.
You cannot get those any longer. What vintage do you think that was?
I want to say probably
That was probably late 90s.
Late 90s?
it could be, yeah.
I seen them in RCM magazine in like the late 90s.
Okay.
It's and again, the tight spot that was encountered earlier when it was squeaking is actually a good thing, and a lot of people don't understand that. It's how it's a tapered bore, so the bore is tapered and the piston is really tight in the top side, and it's good when they fit them that tight. And as you can see right now, it's loose. As it cools down, it'll get tight again. All right, so we'll pull that little fella out, and you